Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Ichimoku Line Alert Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator displays the Ichimoku indicator for us. The difference is that we can have different display modes for the various Ichimoku lines, and we can also set alerts for different conditions. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. At first, we can enter the 3 periods for the...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Tenkan, Kijun, and Senko lines here, and then we set up the alert to specify whether we want to have an alert or not. The next option, if set to true, will display the alert as a message on the screen. The following option, if set to true, will also provide an audio alert, and the next option, if set to true, will send the alert to our mailbox as well. The next option specifies the type of alert, which we can choose from among these modes. The first alert type is that no alert will be issued. The next option, Tenkan crosses Kijun, occurs when the Tenkan line crosses the Kijun line, whether upwards or downwards. An alert will be issued for both cases. The next option is for when the Kijun line crosses the price, and in both cases, whether the cross is upwards or downwards, an alert will be issued. The last option, both, covers both of the previous cases and includes them both. The next option is for displaying the Tenkan line on the chart. If it's set to true, it will be shown. The following option is for the Kijun line, which is specified here. If it's set to true, this line will be displayed. By default, only the Kijun line is displayed. The next option is for the Senko line. If it's set to true, that will be displayed as well. And the next option is for the Kumo cloud. If it's set to true, the Kumo cloud will also be displayed. Now let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the EU MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, the settings and inputs are exactly the same as those in the MT5 version. Now let's see a live test of this indicator together on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.